Infinitive construct. An infinitive is the basic form of a verb, without any tense, person, gender, or number. In English, the infinitive is usually preceded by the word to, for example, to do. Take as an example the verb yishbatu, which means they will judge. This has a tense, future, a person, third person, a gender, masculine, and a number, plural. An infinitive form of the same verb is lishbot, to judge, which does not have any of these four characteristics. There are two infinitives in Biblical Hebrew: the infinitive construct and the infinitive absolute. The infinitive construct almost always takes one of four prefixes: base, kaf, lamed, or mem. You can remember these with the acronym bichlam. You can recognize the infinitive construct by remembering that it is a verb with a bichlam prefix. The prefix lamed is the most common infinitive construct prefix, and functions just like the English infinitive. It makes the infinitive construct mean to do something. The infinitive construct lishloach would mean to send, and ledaber, to speak. The prefixes kaf and base make the infinitive construct mean when something happened. The infinitive construct kishmoa would mean when someone heard, and the infinitive construct bimloch would mean when someone ruled. The prefix mem gives a negative meaning to the infinitive construct. It shows that the action is not happening or is no longer happening. It can often be translated as from. This infinitive construct, mirdof, would normally mean from chasing. If we look at this in a context, Vayoshav ha'om mirdof acharei Israel, the people came back from chasing after Israel. It means that the action of chasing, which was previously happening in the narrative, is no longer happening. This mem can be called a negative mem. Occasionally, the infinitive construct has no prefix. Then it is usually translated as ing or the ing of. Shafot hashofatim means the judging of the judges. The infinitive construct shafot has no prefix and is translated the judging of. The infinitive construct lemar is used to mark the beginning of direct speech, like opening inverted commas in English. It can be translated as saying or as follows. This infinitive construct is unique, as although it has a prefix lamed, it does not mean to say. If the first root letter is a yud, or the third root letter is a hey, the infinitive construct form takes a tof at the end. Now pause the video and see if you can spot the infinitives construct in these verses. There may be more than one in each verse. Here are the infinitives construct in these verses. In summary,